use you, okay, to choose the color you like it. Hey guys, welcome back to another hobby. Maybe retro collection. For me, collect those devices is just like a hobby. So what do you think? Is a hobby or retro game collection? Or any other else? Tell me, I'm really interested to know what is your thought. Okay, today we will have a tutorial or a simple guide. Go into the installation step for the OGA Be or version 1.1 or 2.0. Really just depends how you name or call this version of Audio Go Advanced. Myself personally, I always say this is the 2.0 version. So no matter how you call, as long as you know which version I'm telling now, then it's okay. But why so many metal cell case with me? Before we go into the step, I would like to thanks all. Yeah, it's a bit late of the thanks, but I still want to thank those who supporting me on my channel, subscribe my channel. I really much appreciated. So I will take this as an opportunity to thank all supporters. Since I had reached my first target 1000 subscribers last 2 months ago, I want to give away total of 4 cell case. Yes, it's total 4 cell case, not 1 or 2. Because I hope more of my supporters able to get it. 2 will be OGA version 1.1 or 2.0 BE. This is the video will show you how to install. Another tool will be RK2020. This one I will do another installation video for it later. So please watch till end for this video. I will tell how to participate for this giveaway. So let's get started for the installation. Okay, let's see what we need for this installation. I have my brand new OGA 2.0 that I purchased many months ago, and I never assembled it. Now I will use this to fix it to my metal cell case. I choose the silver cell case matched with the silver glass screen lamp, and also replace the original Audio Go Advanced analog stick with this white color PS Vita analog stick. I think this is the perfect match. This is the screw that come with the metal cell case, also with 2 from tapes that we need for our installation. Also a Phillips screwdriver. For me, this installation is easy. I don't need to tear down since my OGA is brand new. For yours, I also think it's not difficult and easy as well. You just need to remove 4 screws from your plastic cell case and some of the screws from the logic board and analog stick. First, let's fix and screw the analog stick. Use the short screws. Now place our screen on it. You may stick the glass screen lamp first or leave it to the end. So we just leave it to the end, only we fix the glass screen lamp. Then we place our speaker. Okay, let's talk about our giveaway. Since that we have many colors for the cell case, so I think it's best to let our viewer use you, okay, to choose the color you like it. I already create a few posts for yours to choose the color of the metal cell case. So don't wait and remember, go and choose. To participate is very easy. First step, if you are still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe the channel. Like this video because I hope I can hit 1000 likes for this video. Okay, now let's put all buttons rubber pad to the cell case. We take these two foam tape and stick it to the logic board. This is to hold the screen so it won't fall in. Let's put our logic board to the case. After we tighten all of the screws, let's insert the screen flex cable and analog stick flex cable into the connector. Second step is, please do leave us a comment what video content actually you will like more and hope we do more. I really like to know and try to do more for it. For this, I replaced the original battery with a higher volume 3340 mAh Sony cell battery. Stick the battery with double-sided tape to the back cell case. Connect the speaker connector. Our L1 button, R1 button, connect battery connector. Now we can close our back cell case and finish it with our final step. Okay, that's all for the simple installation for OGA Be 1.1 or 2.0 version. For third step or final step is, please do remember to do the first and second step, subscribe the channel, like this video, and leave a comment on this video and share the video. We will use a randomized comment picker to pick the 4 winners on 27 November and we'll upload the video on 30 November. So please stay tuned for our update and don't forget go and pick what color of the cell case you like to have it. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.